One of the most frequently asked questions about the Meta Business Suite is how do I view ad spend or results in the platform? We're going to show you where you need to go to see those results right now. Let's jump in. To get started with that, you just need to be logged into the homepage of the Meta Business Suite. And from there, you need to navigate over to the left-hand menu bar until you see the All Tools section. From here, we want to type in Ads, ADS, and we want to look for the Ads section. We don't want to look for the Ads Manager, which will take us to a new window. We want to click on Ads. And you will now see the performance and insights and ad spend that you have had from your ads in a set period of time. You can go up to the top left-hand menu bar to toggle the time period in which the ad spend and performance is that you want to see. And you can also see the total amount of money that has been spent in this period of time. It's that simple, accessing ad spend and insights here in the Meta Business Suite for your business's ads. If you've got any other questions about the Meta Business Suite, leave a comment below.